This is Linda Walla. Greetings from Face Mask Central here at the county offices. Here's our lovely printer making a mask. I'll show you a finished product at the end. But we make them in all colors. It takes about 3 hours to make them. And once you get it set up and ready to run, usually it's an easy process. These pictures show you the final step before we send the mask off. We still have to attach the black lining there that will make the mask fit more comfortably on the face of the people who are using them. Another thing we do is print the blue bands that you see here by our little patient, and we attach sheet protectors to them, and that makes a nice visor that people can use. We also cut up HEPA filters, and then we insert them into our bandanas that we make the simple face mask over here. We've got lots of projects going on all at the same time. We also print out these lovely bands that hold the mask in place behind your head, keeps the pressure off of the back of your ears. For those of us into hand sewing, we're also making headbands with buttons attached. You can attach the mask to the buttons once you put the headband on. So that's another handy craft we do. And lastly, here's a box of some finished products here. They'll be waiting for someone to pick them up. You can see we make them in all kinds of great colors, and then you just insert the disposable mask inside. Here's one on top just so you can get an idea of what it looks like.